Assalamu alaikum, dear student. I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Turina Froch, Assistant Teacher, SSR High School. Welcome to the English online class of 7. Dear student, today we will discuss about dialogue writing. At first, we know the situation is: suppose you are Saqib and your friend is Raqib. Recently, you have visited a book fair. Now, write a dialogue between you and your friend about it. Okay, dear student, let's start the dialogue. Raqib: Hi, how are you? Saqib: Hello, I am fine, and you? Raqib: I am so. You didn't come to play yesterday. Where did you go? Saqib: I went to the book fair with my elder brother. Raqib: That's great. What did you see there? Saqib: Well, there are a lot of pavilion and all sorts of books. Fictions, dramas, novels, children books, etc. are displayed. Raqib: Are there anything to watch? Saqib: Yes, there are food and drink stalls. You can also enjoy cultural programs. Raqib: What is the main attraction of this fair? Saqib: Many writers also visit the fair regularly. You can meet them and take autograph from them. Raqib: Did you buy any books from the fair? Saqib: Of course, I bought 2 books. One is the Agni Beena by Kazi Nazrul Islam and another is the Nakshi Kathar Mat by Jashimuddin. Raqib: Thank you for your information. I will visit the fair on Friday with my father. Saqib: You are welcome. I hope you will enjoy it. Raqib: Okay, bye. Saqib: Bye. Take care. Okay, dear student. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.